this next step is to create shortcuts in your code so that you can combine and centralize even more your styling of things that are common. So, for example, things you can notice is that with the color here, we have the exact same color for our H1, our H2, and our H3. We're using the exact same font weight. We're using normal font weight for all of them. For all of them except for H4. H4 is bold, although we don't have an H4 instance in there. So I'm going to remove that one altogether. And that way we don't have to deal with that one. But you notice these are all normal. They're all Indian red, and they're all sans serif. The only thing that changes is the font size for each of these. So here's what I want to do. I want to come in and I want to remove my font size from this top one. And I'm going to put a comma and put H2, a comma and put H3. Now the H2 and H3 and the H1 all share this thing, these attributes. The font family is sans serif, the color is Indian red, the font weight is normal. The difference is that H1 is going to be font size 2.5. H2, I don't need these two here, so I'm going to take these two out of H2 and H3, and I'm also going to take font weight normal out of them. And now you see that I have everything that's the same about H1 through 3 is combined into a single one. And anything that is different is pulled out and said different. Now, let me show you this. It's not going to change anything when we hop back over here and when we refresh. Okay, it's all going to look the same. But check this out. If I change the color to green, sure, let's go for sea green. Save, and then I hop back over here. Now all of it has changed. However, if I change font weight bold and I pull this out, actually let's take this out. Let's go to here, put that curly brace back in place, and I'm only going to make the H1 normal. Let me save this and then go back and refresh. All of these go bold, but my H1 stays at normal weight. All right, so let's put this back in place. Let's take all of this out and hit save again and replace, and there you see we were able to combine those. Now you can do that with any tag. Notice this right here. This is these tags. So if it is a tag that belongs between these greater than, less than brackets, you can call it out by itself. You can call out body, header. Watch this. We'll do one real quick. I'm gonna do. Let's come down here and let's go body, and I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna say font family serif, and I'm going to save that and I'm going to refresh. That's already that way, but notice that I can do that, and then I change this to sans serif, hit save, refresh. Now everything is sans serif. Heck, I could even take that out of this, and now because all of this exists inside the body of the HTML document, it now already leans on this sans serif specifier. Okay, so I want you to go in and combine your H1 and 2 specifications, your styles, to be whatever color you want, to whatever font weight you want. go on ahead and make yourself a body which specifies as sans serif, and then create separate styles for your H1 through 3 with different sizing, 2.5, 1.5, 1.2. You could do something different if you prefer. Sure, let's try this real quick. I'm going to find this right here. I'm going to go doot doot, and I'm going to go 3, and I'm going to change that. I'm going to change this one to 2 and this one to 1.5. And that way we see a vast difference. You see the change, and then you can undo all that and hit save again and see that change. So that's what I'm wanting you to do, is to combine styles where they can be combined, pull styles out to a more top level style. Again, this is the body, and all of this content exists inside the body. Okay, so everything between this body tag and the very end, all the way here at the end body tag, everything there is now sans serif. So try that out, and then we'll see you in the next video.